Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, A-NATH-ing Under the Sun. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set online appointment for passport renewal in Philippine Embassy, Canada. If you're new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify you in our next video. How to set online appointment for Philippine Passport Renewal in Philippine Embassy, Canada using mobile phone. Let's start. To start with, we have to open Google Chrome or any browser available in your phone and type dfaincanada.com. Tap search and this page will appear. To set online appointment, we have to go to the following website depending on your location, whichever is nearer to your place. We have here Philippine Embassy in Ottawa, Toronto, and Calgary. Hence, I'm in Ottawa, I will tap Philippine Embassy in Ottawa. And then you will see this, schedule an appointment, Philippine Embassy in Ottawa. Read them carefully all the way to the bottom and tap click to continue. Then you will see this page, and from here you can create an individual appointment for yourself or a group appointment for the family. Carefully review all fields in the online form and provide complete and accurate information. Don't forget to read the instructions, terms and conditions, and check the box below that I have read and understood the instructions and information on this page and agree to the terms and conditions on the use of this online appointment and scheduling system. And then choose if you're going to make a new appointment or retrieve my previous appointment. In my case, I'm going to make a new appointment. And these reminders will pop up. Says, please be reminded that any incorrect information that is inputted in this application form may result to delay or rejection of your application, and that misrepresentation on your part may be considered grounds for refusal, cancellation of your application. So we should be very careful putting information in this application. Now let us tap OK. And here it is, the application form. Please fill up the details below, and filled with asterisk means it is mandatory. And now, please select service, of course, passport renewal, and your preferred date, preferred time, first name, middle name, last name, email, confirm email, your phone number, date of birth, gender, and address. All of these are the information needed to be filled up in this application form. And if done, just check the box below that I would like to receive news, notifications, and other information via email, and then tap Next. Next is the review page of the details of your application. So make sure that your email and mobile number is correct, because an OTP or one-time password will be sent to your email and your mobile number via SMS to verify your appointment. And please take note, reservation will be cancelled if not verified within 29 minutes. So this is the one-time PIN that I have received during my application. Just enter this code into your application screen. And after you submit the OTP, you will see this page. Thank you, your appointment has been booked successfully. And now you can see the details of your appointment below. And they also sent an email message to your email account containing your appointment details and instructions. So please print a copy of this confirmation and bring on your appointment date. What I loved on this online appointment is that they provided all the information we needed in our application. All we have to do is to read all the requirements at the following links. For your references, I will include all the links in the description down below of this video. And here's the email I received. Congratulations! You have successfully booked your appointment with us. And below are the details of my appointment. And it says here to come to embassy not earlier than 10 minutes before my appointment time. Hi guys, today is the day. Here I come. Philippine Embassy, Ottawa, Canada. On my next video, I will bring you to the day when I went to Philippine Embassy, Ottawa, Canada and share with you how was it done in just an hour and what are those requirements needed to bring. We're done. Hope you learned something from this video, and if you like it, please give us a like or leave us a comment down below. See you next time. Thank you for watching and God bless.